We're at the pier. We got two guys coming at us right here. Marley's right here to protect us. I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh my god, it's scary.
Molly,
Help us, Marley, help! Marley, help! Help!
Yeah, we're gonna bite him. Oh my god, we got them! We figured his tongue out. Oh god.
They didn't like Marley at all. Come on, Marley. Come on, let's go. Bye-bye, Marley. Come on. Let's go. They're gonna get...
Let him come for me and see what he does. Look at him over there.
This is hilarious. What the fuck?
Marley.
Say.
Baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Baby, baby, come on. Come on. Come on, baby. 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 Ah! Come here.
Look at that thing sticking his fucking tongue out.
Go over that one.